Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see some awesome hidden tricks in Google Chrome. So let's get into it ASAP. Trick 1. Open multiple pages on Startup. So first open up Chrome. Then click on the wrench icon on the top right corner. Go down to Settings, then scroll down to see an option called On Startup. In default it will be in an option called New tab. Change it into the third option. And type the URL of the required sites in the options. And if you restart the Chrome it opens multiple tabs at once. So let's get into trick number 2, the Pin tab. Guys, if you want easily access many tabs, you could pin those tabs to reduce the required space and access them easily by their logo. So for a tab to be pinned, right click on the tab and select Pin tab. So you could see that the tabs will be seen with only the logo and saving many space. You can also unpin by right clicking on Pin tabs and by selecting Unpin. So the trick number 3. The Home button. To make Home button visible, click on the wrench icon on the top right corner. Go down to Settings, then scroll down to Appearance menu. And enable the slider in Show Home button. And you could also change the URL of Home button. In default it will be on google.com. You could change them into any URL, and if we click on the Home button in the toolbar you could see the site get opening. I am going to change it into youtube.com. And if I click on the Home button it takes me to YouTube. Number 4. The Chrome Task Manager. Just as Windows got an Task Manager, Chrome has also got a Task Manager. To open it up, click on the wrench icon. And move down to More Tools. In the drop-down menu select Task Manager. Now you could stop any unwanted running extensions which decreases the memory usage. So to trick number 5. The autofill options. If you want to fill up your personal details or other details easily, you could use the Chrome autofill option, which automatically fills up those spaces easily. So go to Settings. Then Autofill options. And you could use them to fill up the blank spaces. If I go to password, see those login credentials are saved automatically by Chrome. And if I access those sites, Chrome will ask for filling up them automatically. So trick number 6. Enable extensions in incognito mode. To enable those, open it up, click on the wrench icon. And move down to More Tools. In the drop-down menu select Extensions. And take up the extensions that you need to enable in incognito. For the sake of the video I'm going for IDM extension. Click on Details. Then scroll down. You'll see an option to enable the extension in incognito mode. Enable the slider on. And if you open the incognito tab you can see the extension is enabled. Now we could go through some bonus tips and shortcuts. Bonus 1. You could easily navigate between each tab by pressing Ctrl key and Tab key on the keyboard. Bonus 2. You could easily zoom in and out any page by pressing Ctrl and scrolling with your mouse. Bonus number 3. Incognito tab can be easily opened by pressing Ctrl and Shift+N on your keyboard. So friends, thanks for watching our video. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. So please stay tuned with us.